This document was released in March of 2019 to help you understand where do you start with Win 911. This checklist is a general list of things you need to know, including information about your general configuration, your SCADA, and your notifier specific configuration. We're often asked similar questions related to the system requirements, or what you need to know about your SCADA, security requirements, information about your notifiers, including your VoIP or your SMS modems, what type of items you support, and what you need to know to get started. This document was developed to help address those questions and provide supporting materials for you to understand the configuration. Win 911 offers direct connects with our partners Rockwell, GE, and Wonderware, along with an OPC-DA connection. So this installation checklist will be available in 7 different documents, and it is recommended you select your specific SCADA. If your SCADA is not shown here, you will need to use the OPC-DA checklist. An important item to note is that this document will be updated as time goes on. It's important to check the release date of the installation checklist. At the time of the release, in March of 2019, this document does not include any information about mobile. The mobile information will be added later in 2019 once our new mobile release comes out, Win 911 Mobile. Let's take a look at the installation checklist. This example here is for iFix. So again, you'll select your specific SCADA, and you'll have different questions depending on which SCADA you select. The checklists are very similar in that they'll have your general, your security, subscriptions, and then your notification section, and then the SCADA specific information will change. This document is designed to run down the list and answer yes, no to all these different items. So say for example, you're going through here, yes, I know how to do this, no, I don't know how to do this, and so on and so on, and you select, no, I don't know how to do alarm subscriptions. Well, there's supporting information provided later in the document you can reference to understand how to do that certain item. Say for example, you need more information about alarm subscriptions and how to set up your Win 911. Here's an example of what our alarm subscription setup looks like. So in this section, we help you answer the questions of what alarms do you need to know, who do you want to notify, what type of notifiers you want to use, and what's your notification plan. Now the big question is, where can you find this information? Information is available on the Win 911 website under the Resources Documentation tab. Again, you'll have all 7 of those specific SCADAs available. That's all. Thank you for watching.